Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make plantain fufu from unripe plantain. So come with me as we go through this journey. Let's look at some benefits of eating plantain fufu made out of unripe plantain. So first off, unripe plantain is a good source of fiber, which helps in digestion. So it's very good for the movement of the bowel. Unripe plantain is also a good source of vitamins A, B, and C. And unripe plantain helps in blood sugar control, which is beneficial for people with diabetes because it helps to manage their blood sugar level. And also unripe plantain is rich in potassium. Potassium helps to regulate the blood pressure. So when you have enough potassium in your body, it will help you to regulate your blood pressure, and this is good for people with a high blood pressure problem. So unripe plantain is also a good source of magnesium. And unripe plantain may also help with your weight management, because when you eat it, you feel full and you don't feel like eating food, you don't feel hungry. So unripe plantain is good to help in weight loss. First step is to peel and cut your plantain into tiny pieces like this. So each of the plantain, peel the cover out and then cut them into tiny pieces like so. So the second step is to wash the plantain. Wash them. After washing the cut plantain, the next step would be to blend the plantain into a smooth paste. Make sure you add water when blending, and not too much water, just enough water to blend it. Make sure it's not watery. So after blending, this is how the mixture will look like. It's not too watery and not too thick. It's just enough smooth consistency like this that you can cook easily. So next step is to pour the blended plantain into a pot ready for cooking. At this stage, turn on the cooker to start cooking your plantain in the pot. You can start with medium heat so they can get cooking, and stir as you cook the plantain mixture. You can also cover it to cook for a while and come back to it later as you notice that it's beginning to thicken. can stir more to make sure it does not develop some lumps. So as the cooking goes on, you notice that it's thickening, the color is changing also, which is an indication that the plantain is cooking at the bottom. So you need to turn it constantly so that every part is cooked, is evenly cooked. Turn down the heat also. Now you can see from the color that the plantain is cooked, and you can turn off the heat and allow it to cool down before you serve. To serve the plantain fufu, you can use plastic wrap like I'm using and serve wrap servable portions like this that you can easily serve with any soup of your choice that you're eating it with. So go ahead and wrap several portions. So this is the finished product. I have 5 servings of the plantain fufu that you can eat with any soup of your choice. Plantain fufu is healthy, it is light, it's a good source of fiber, it contains vitamins, and it is very good for blood sugar control. So thank you for watching again. Click the subscribe button, like and share this video. Click that like button, it's very good for my channel, so I appreciate you if you like this video. Also tell me in the comment section where you're watching from and what other type of videos you would like me to make about healthy meals like this. See you next